Okay, how's everybody doing this evening? My name is Kent, the channel's EOS San Diego, and I make EOS videos about the EOS blockchain. And today, EOS had another pretty good day. I think it was up 5% last time I looked, so it was it's well above the $2.50 range. Not too long ago, we were down in the $1.70 range. Now it's the $2.50 range, so it's made a pretty significant climb here recently. However, I know a lot of people are down overall with the EOS token, but I think things are going the right direction, and they will continue to go that direction. Hopefully. No guarantees, but hopefully they'll be going that direction. But I want to talk a little bit tonight about how the U.S. stock market, and I read this on CNN, I'll put the link below, is having the worst December since the Great Depression. So U.S. equities, U.S. stocks are having a horrible December. They're down significantly. I used to be a stockbroker, so I watch the stock market very closely. And before I got into blockchain, in fact, that's where I spent most of my time, is in the stock market. So I watch it really closely, and I'm very interested in what's going on with the U.S. stock market, because there really isn't much place for it to go but down. If you look at all the fundamentals of the U.S. stock market, everything says down, 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 significantly down. Interest rates have been low for a long time in the United States of America, and in the way they've pushed interest rates down, it's caused the stock market to go up. If interest rates start going up at all, the stock market's going to really crash. But they're going to have to do something with these interest rates, because they can't keep them at these low rates forever. And of course, they're talking about raising interest rates. If they do that, it's going to kill the stock market. And of course, I think a lot of money is going to flood to cryptocurrencies. I've listened to some of the big bankers, too many to mention, as a matter of fact, that have talked about how the cryptocurrency will be the future of equity. Equity will be now cryptocurrencies rather than the U.S. equities, the stock markets around the world, not only the United States, but around the world. So it's an interesting direction both EOS and U.S. equities are taking. EOS is very low right now, as low as it's been almost since it first initially started, but it's heading up. The U.S. stock market's been very high, and now it's heading down. So they're going in opposite directions. And of course, the future will be the cryptocurrencies, and the bankers know that, and everybody else knows that. It's obvious. It's just as clear as can be. So this is a time, and I've said this before, and I say it almost every night in my video, this is a time to get involved. Not only from a position of buying the token, but the position of learning the blockchain, understanding the blockchain, doing whatever you want to do with it, building on it, developing on it, becoming a block producer, anything you want to do, get involved with the community. This is a good time to get established. It's a good time to get started. We're in the early days of blockchain, early days of EOS, and I think the future's bright. And you can see that very clearly right now, the way things are going. Stocks are going down, cryptos are going up, and the future's very bright for this. So please, take advantage of this. You won't have it forever, just like you don't have $2 EOS forever either. So this is a great time to get involved, and I think the future is bright. Even if it does take another downturn, the overall direction is upward, and that's where we're going. I appreciate you watching. Thank you very much.